You want to learn how to make curried rice? Stay tuned. Then I'm going to do something to it. Soy curls. Yum. We're going to make the curry that you just saw. It's the Butler soy curl curry. I will measure out the ingredients and then we're going to put them right into the wok because guess what? We're already boiling. We need 4.5 cups of water. It's already in the wok and it's already boiling. So we're going to have to add it as fast as we can. 2 cups of rice. They didn't say whether to measure it. They said just 2 cups of rice. So I'm going to measure 2 dry cups of rice. I've already measured 2 cups of soy curls in there. I'm just putting all the dry ingredients into there. 2 cups of rice, 2 teaspoons of curry, 1, 2, you can see how careful I measure curry because I love curry. If I was making it for myself, I'd be putting probably about half of this in there. Actually kidding. I would be putting 3 teaspoons in, I know that much. Now, bay leaves, we got 2. All right, there's 2 in there. I give it 3 because they're small. 3 cloves right there. What are we missing? We got the rice, we got the curry powder, 1.25 teaspoon of salt. I'm just gonna go with 1 teaspoon. Well, we'll do 1/4 teaspoon too. That's about 1/4 right there. Coriander powder. And 2 whole bay leaves. Mix. These are the vegetables. Let's get them started. Let's put them in there. Everything's in there. Whoops. See, all in there. Forgot to show me putting it in there. And let's see, to stir that with. We have this. We'll bring you over here so you can even see. I'm going to stir it once just to get things going. And we're going to lower it down. All right, this is going to be interesting. And I need 1/4 cup more water. Hunt for the coriander powder. I think I have some, either that or I'm going to make some. Here's some coriander. Find my mortar and pestle. We're going to make some. That's good enough. There's 1/4 teaspoon. Is that what it says? 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder. I think I have well, 2/4 makes a 1/2. There's 1. And 2. We're going to stir one more time. And lower the heat down to low, to simmer. Get everything all mixed in there. These are the soy curls. I've never done this recipe. I can tell right now this is going to be very light on the curry for me. I usually am a very heavy curry person, but I will try it this way first. Most Americans don't eat near as spicy as I do. Just talked to a few of my friends. All right, that looks good. Now we set it all the way down to low, because I think that's what they said. Lower the heat and cook for 35 minutes, which will be 30 minutes now. We'll come back in 30 minutes. About 9 more minutes before it's close to time. I think it's good enough time that we can add the vegetables now. Also, my Heritage Steel Wok, I love this thing because it cooks so efficiently and it vapor locks. We lift up, mix in the vegetables right now. That is looking really nice. Oh, ouch. Like I said, it's going to be a light curry, but it's going to be tasty. Actually, it looks pretty much done now, but we'll give it a little bit more because that's what the recipe calls for. And I will lower it all the way down. I love this pot. This is Heritage Steel 13.5-inch wok. And it's doing an excellent job. Turn it all the way down because it was on like 2. Now I just lowered it down to 1. For 7 minutes, then we're gonna come eat. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that's loud. Make sure we don't bang anything. Oh, doesn't that look good? Looks just like real meat, doesn't it? That's what soy curls do. I was kind of curious with this recipe because you didn't have to do anything to the soy curls, which made it all that much more lovable for me. Because I love things where you don't have to do much work grabbing it. Doesn't that look beautiful? I love the texture of the soy curls. These are Butler Foods soy curls, and this is their recipe. And now the moment of truth. Butler soy curls. Let's give them a try. See how good they taste. Mmm. They're pretty good. I would use probably about twice as much curry in here. Let's see how the soy curls taste, because that's what I'm really interested in. How does this taste right here? Soy curls. Has an interesting texture to it. I wouldn't say this is my favorite soy curl recipe, but you know that I'm going to do something to it. First thing I'm going to do is add some pepper. All right, we have pepper in there, and I'm going to also add some soy sauce because I like things saucier, and we'll give that a try. Or liquid amino is actually even better. Now I have the heat that I like. Now if you're cooking, you could maybe even add a couple of jalapeno peppers in there, which would kick up your heat value if you like things hot and spicy. Perfect. Anyways, this is soy curls. Butler soy curls curry recipe. I give it, on a 5-star rating, I'll give that a solid 3.5, maybe 4. For ease, I give it a solid 5. This very easy recipe. Anybody can do this. Well, I'm gonna eat dinner now, so I hope you don't mind. Love you all. Bye-bye.